Hi, One Under Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to change the batteries on a Simplisafe Entry Sensor. So we've got one of the sensors here, and I'm just going to flip this over so you can better see. There are two parts to the Simplisafe Entry Sensor, and the only piece that you need to worry about is this part, so the wider part. And what you can see is on the back here, this is actually a plate on the back that will slide off. So if you've got this mounted on the wall and you can see this little ledge here, all you're going to need to do is slide up and off, and then you're going to have access to the battery. Now, if you don't see the edge, then you're just going to need to slide this down and it will come right off as well. And then you'll have access to the battery for the Simplisafe Entry Sensor. And the Simplisafe Entry Sensor uses a DL2032 battery, and sometimes you might have a little bit of trouble getting it out here, so I recommend using a screwdriver. Sometimes you can get in there and just press on that tab and get that right out, and then you can go ahead and replace it with another DL2032 battery. We'll put a link to the recommended battery below so you can find these on Amazon. That's usually where I find the best deals on these, but usually they also have them at the local pharmacy. Now, in order to reinstall or change the battery on the Simplisafe Entry Sensor, you need to put it in at an angle and get it underneath these two ledges here on the Simplisafe Entry Sensor. So we go ahead and slide it in like so, push down, and now that battery is installed in the Simplisafe Entry Sensor, and we can just put this back on the wall and slide down. So this piece will always stay on the wall wherever you've got it secured, either with screws or with that tape on the back, and you just slide it back on, and now your Simplisafe Entry Sensor batteries have been changed. So you don't need to do anything with this other piece. That's just a magnet in there and stays as it is. So thank you for watching this video on how to change your Simplisafe Entry Sensor battery. And please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links below if you want to support us, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.